If I was to go back in time to help my older self get to $1,000 freelancing, this is exactly step by step what I'm going to tell him so he can start making money quick and start enjoying life. Making money from freelancing isn't as hard as people think it is. So in this video, I'm going to be putting you guys on game. If you apply the information I'm about to share in this video, I promise you are going to get where you want to be in life freelancing and make thousands of dollars monthly. The first thing you're going to do is learn an online skill. There are a lot of online skills that you can start learning, from Google Ads to social media management to copywriting to Facebook ads to coding. There's a lot of online skills you can start learning. But what I advise people to do is learn a skill that aligns with you. So what are you good at in your life? Are you good at growing Instagram pages? If you are good at that, become a social media manager. If you have run ads before and it was successful, become a Facebook ads manager. If you are good at writing, people always told you that, oh, your writing is very nice, write for me, write this for me, write this for me at school and whatever. Become a copywriter. Pick a skill that aligns with you. If you pick a skill that aligns with you, there's a high chance that you are going to stick to that skill and actually learn it in the long run. So go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you 20 online skills that you can start learning. ChatGPT is going to give you a plethora of online skills. Pick one. If you don't have a skill that already aligns with you, just pick any skill that you like and just follow through with it. The second thing that you're going to do is learn the skill that you have picked. So you need a course. If you have money to purchase a course to learn the skill, I would advise you to use platforms like Udemy and Coursera to start learning. But if you don't have money to purchase a course, you can utilize Simply Learn, ChatGPT, and YouTube. If I want to learn a skill, I put this into ChatGPT. ChatGPT, give me a roadmap to learn the skill that I want to learn. ChatGPT is going to give me a roadmap to master the skill that I've just chosen. So it's going to tell me, learn this, learn this, learn that, learn this, learn that. And it's going to give it to me in topics. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this, put it into notes, and learn these one by one. So I pick the first topic, I put it into YouTube. I learn as much about what I'm learning as possible. Sometimes the videos that I watch do not go much into detail, so you have to watch a couple of video courses to get what you want. Learning from YouTube is not as structured as purchasing a course, but if you are proactive and you don't have money, you can learn the course and get knowledgeable about the skill that you want to learn. But if you have money, you can go the paid route by utilizing these good platforms like Udemy and Coursera. You're going to find good courses for cheap that you can learn and master. After learning the online skill for at least 2 to 3 months, what you're going to do is you're going to create a portfolio. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is pieces of work that is going to show clients that you can actually do what you said you can do. And you're not just talking out of your ass. You actually have tangible results that you can show the clients. So for me, as a social media manager, I grew a social media page to 40,000 followers. So when clients ask, what can I do? I just send them the results I've gotten on the page, the metrics, the follower count, and all this. I just screenshot it and send it to them. And because of this, earlier on in my social media management career, I was getting a lot of jobs than normal because a lot of people do not have these results. So yes, sometimes you have to put a couple of months and grow something, create work pieces. If you are somebody who's doing coding, code a fake website and use that as your portfolio. If you are a copywriter, write fake emails. These portfolio pieces shouldn't necessarily be for a client that I've gotten. You can just create fake work pieces and use that as your portfolio. This is a problem that a lot of beginners have when they are starting out. They think they need to work with people first before they can get portfolios. And even if you feel like creating fake work pieces is not moral, you can go to people around you. You can go to your mom, your dad, your uncle, your auntie who has businesses and apply the skill that you have into their business and use that as a portfolio. Getting portfolio shouldn't take you less than a week to get. First thing that you need to do is start applying for jobs. 2 to 3 months learning an online skill, 1 month getting your portfolio. The next month you are going to start applying for jobs. You can learn the online skill, you can create portfolios, but if you don't apply for jobs, you are not going to get clients. So yes, you need to start applying for jobs. These are the platforms that I would advise you to start applying for jobs on: LinkedIn, Upwork, freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, and Instagram. On sites like LinkedIn, Upwork, freelancer.com, and peopleperhour.com, job postings are going to be posted on there. Before you start applying for jobs on these platforms, you need to optimize your profile. What is optimizing your profile? Optimizing your profile is sure that your page looks as professional as possible. So when potential recruiters land on your page looks professional so they can hire you. So yes, you need to optimize your profile on all these platforms. And you have to get a cover letter structure, a good cover letter structure. What's a cover letter? If a client posts a job proposal, you need to be able to write a good cover letter to that job. So have a good structure. You are going to see a lot of videos online on how to write good cover letters. Pick any of them and just start applying for jobs. Some of these platforms you need to buy connect to apply for jobs. So if you have that money, you can actually buy connect and start applying for jobs. Some of these platforms is you can apply for jobs for free. So utilize all this and start applying for jobs. If you are consistent with applying for at least 2 jobs every single day for 90 days, I don't see why you not have a job. You are going to have a job. It's as easy as that.